Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Trello board and use Trello. So yeah, this is the way we are going to deal with things. I have already logged in Trello and we are going to proceed. So the way we are going to do here is you have two options. You can go ahead and use templates that are already here. Say for example, you can click this one right here and you can go ahead and design or choose your own. So say for example, if it's for the business, I'm gonna head over here and then try to see templates here. Say for example, if it's a business plan, you can click this one and then you should be able to see how this is going to look like, as you can see here. Yeah, and if for example you decide to use this one, just go ahead and click view template and then click create board from template. So yep, that is the easiest way to do it. But say for example you want to create from the scratch, you can go ahead and click the create button right here, click create board, and then you can go ahead and decide from the background, say for example this one, or if you just want a solid color, say this, and then add a title. So I'm gonna go ahead and call this one project management. And then for the visibility, you can go ahead and check here. Will this going to be private, workspace, or public? So there are descriptions here. Choose which one you think fits best for you. I'm going to choose private this time and click create. And yep, as you can see, we have now successfully created our own Trello board.